Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pancake syrup at home easy guide. Start by combining equal parts sugar and water in a small saucepan and heat gently until the sugar fully dissolves, then simmer for a few minutes to concentrate the syrup. Stir occasionally to prevent scorching. Remove from heat and cool slightly before stirring in vanilla or citrus. Transfer to a clean jar and refrigerate for up to 2 weeks. Try quick flavor boosts that make pancakes feel special and homey. Simmer a cinnamon stick or orange peel with the syrup for 5 minutes and strain out solids before cooling. For a classic taste, stir in pure vanilla extract after removing the pan from heat. If you want maple flavor on a budget, add a small amount of maple extract and taste as you go for balanced sweetness. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easier with these leak-proof containers I showed earlier. They keep sticky syrups tidy and transport simple. Check the description for the link and other deals, and pick one up if you like practical kitchen gear. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Adjust thickness to your liking by simmering briefly for thin syrup or a bit longer for thicker results, but do not let it caramelize. Allow the syrup to cool to room temperature before sealing jars to prevent condensation. Store in the refrigerator and always label with the date. Reheat gently in a microwave or warm water bath when serving, and discard if you notice off smells or visible mold.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.